Hello, everyone. 74.315 million cases worldwide. It's getting bad. And then people are about to start traveling for Christmas. I saw this coming a couple days before Thanksgiving. Yeah, I just saw last night that Biden actually coughed quite a bit during his speech after the Electoral College's mistake. And also at a rally yesterday, he was also coughing when he was campaigning for Georgia's Democratic nominees for senator. He's coughing. He is coughing. I will say nothing more. Anyway, what else went on? More people are getting the vaccine. They think that this is the light at the end of the tunnel. I don't know. I still don't think it's enough research. I mean, it's only in a select few of ICU nurses' arms right now. Really. That's all it's in. Just a select few of ICU nurses. Because it's only been getting distributed for 2 days. This is the 3rd day of distribution of the vaccine. So, yeah. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just gonna take it off. I'm inside today. It is snowing out. Well, I don't know if it's not actively snowing, but it is. There's snow on the ground. It was snowing today. That's the storm, I guess. And it's already pretty dark. And it's only 4 p.m. at the time of filming this. What else? Trump's still fighting, as he should. Oh yeah. If y'all saw, you remember that guy who was holding the cranberry juice in a TikTok video. He got the COVID. He got COVID-19. I'm not hearing any major symptoms out of him, but he is an older man. But, you know. Yeah. I'm just extending the tripod legs out right now. For no reason. As I'm inside today. And then I'm just gonna extend all 3 of them, you know? Just for the heck of it. Just for the heck of it, see? There's the ceiling. There's artificial light. Yeah. You can see that Fago can right there behind me. It's pretty cold in here too. It's below freezing, obviously. Otherwise, there wouldn't be any snow. I think it's 27. It's at a steady 29 degrees, I think. Maybe 30. I don't know. But I guess I'll just extend it. This is only one extension out of 2. I don't want to extend it out all the way. I don't want to do that. But it is extended out much as it'll go. And, well, not as much as it'll get out, but as much as I'm willing to extend it. Anywho. So I'm just gonna set this right there. Now you can actually see more of my body. Yeah, I've had that thing for 6 months. 6 months with the third tripod. I've been making these videos for 8.5 months. Everyone's, we're gearing. And I don't want to talk about year-end stuff yet because, we still got a couple weeks of 2020, and it's not going to automatically get back to normal in 2021. But, yeah. People are saying, how they've accomplished everything despite a pandemic. Well, I don't know. I'm not going to say my accomplishments. That'll be for a future video, probably on December 31st. But, yeah. Everybody's just trying to make the end of it go faster than it is. Well, there's a can of I've shown you this before. Probably not recently, but I've shown you it. There's the snow out here. Are you guys able to see me? Yeah, maybe not. There's a keyboard that is not attached to anything. There's a corner right there. There's I'm just tired today. Let's lean back a little bit. Slowly just spin. Just spin, Just spin. World is getting worse. It will continue to get worse into the new year. I'm just going to say that. I am not I am not getting rid of the possibility that it'll be close to normal by the end of 2021, but just expect worse the first few months of 2021. I'm just going to say that. Expect worse until the summer. Anyway, subscribe to my channel. I've got to go now. Bye.